I promote all about second-hand trading. Of course, if you want to buy different kinds of second-hand metal, wood, different kinds of grills, Rizal Avenue from Caloocan is straight ahead. All about from Pasay, Baclaran, of course, Recto Avenue. All about, I promote all about second-hand trading, of course, different kinds of wood here. And of course, all about Rizal Avenue, Caloocan, all about.